Good morning, students. Welcome in HCP Practical. Today I will start the experiment number 14 and title is to prepare and submit 100 ml or 500 ml of 1.4% weight by volume sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion BP. BP means British Pharmacopoeia. Then prior concept sodium bicarbonate and its physical properties, sterilization, single dose container, then metabolic acidosis and metabolic alkalosis. Okay, this theory part we have already studied in previous practical, so I will not repeating again. Now see the next point is the new concepts, that is proposition. First, method of preparation, method of sterilization, labeling. Then general concept structure. Firstly, weigh all ingredients. After the weighing of ingredients dissolve into the vehicle. Then filter. After the filtration process, sterilize into a membrane filter assembly. Okay, then after the sterilization, fill, then inspect, and last is the labeling. These are the general concept structure of 1.4% weight by volume sodium bicarbonate intravenous BP. Then next is the learning objectives, that is intellectual skill and motor skill. In intellectual skill, to understand the basic concept of the sterility, then to understand precautions to be taken during sterile manufacturing preparations, then motor skills, ability to fill the bottles, then ability to inspect the product, ability to sterilize by using membrane filter assembly, and ability to prepare label. These are the motor skill. Then apparatus, glasswares and chemicals. Glasswares are glass bottle, volumetric flask, rubber closure, aluminum seal, crimping machine, membrane filter assembly, weight box, chemical box, phenol, volumetric flask, glass rod. These are the glassware used in this experiment. Then chemicals, sodium bicarbonate and water for injection. Okay, then stepwise procedure. Firstly, sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion BP is a sterile solution of sodium bicarbonate water for injection. Then unless and otherwise specified, a solution containing 1.4% weight by volume of sodium bicarbonate is supplied. Okay, then step first formula, sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion BP contains not less than 94% and not more than 106% of stated amount of sodium bicarbonate. Okay, and formula is the sodium bicarbonate is 1.4 gram and water for injection is the 100 ml. Then calculate the value of sodium bicarbonate taken quantity. Okay, these are the prescribed quantity and you calculate the calculated quantity. Okay, then step second, take the accurately weighed required quantity of the sodium bicarbonate in a suitable sterilized container and add sufficient quantity of the water for injection to make the required volume, stir and to dissolve. The solution should be clear. If not, filter the solution using sintered glass filter. Then next step is the fill the clear filtered solution into a SS pressure tank and aseptically pass through the membrane filter of 0.22 micrometer. Fill the solution aseptically into sterilized transfusion bottle. Close with sterilized rubber closure and seal with aluminum cap. Then next is the invert and shake the bottle to check the leakage. Then reject leaked bottles. Examine the solution critically for particles. Then next is the polish the bottle and re-examine for the particles. Then check the label and stick on the bottle. And this solution should be comply with the specification laid down by the BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia. Then category or use. This solution prepared for systemic alkalizers and electrolyte replenisher. Okay, use. What is use of this solution or preparation? Systematic alkalizer and electrolyte replenisher. Then storage. Sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion should not be kept in the container that have previously been subjected to heating in an autoclave. Okay, what is storage? Sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion should not be kept in container that have previously been subjected to heating in an autoclave. Then dosage. as directed by physician and to be used with a non-pyrogenic IV, that is intravenous administration set with a aseptic technique. Then caution. Even invisible damage to containers caused during transit, storage, or handling may result in the contamination. Then warning. Do not use if container found leaking or solution is hazy or solution contains visible solid particles. Discard any unused portion. Notice warning. Do not use if the container is found leaking or solution is hazy or solution contains visible solid particles, and discard any unused portion. Then direction for IV use only. What is direction for IV use only? That is intravenous. Okay. Then observation table. First ingredients. What is ingredients used in this preparation? Sodium bicarbonate and water for injection. Then quantities. Prescribed quantity is the sodium bicarbonate prescribed quantity 1.4 gram and water for injection prescribed quantity 100 ml and calculated, and write down here the calculated value of sodium bicarbonate and water for injection IP. Then in below the observation table calculation part and label. Here are the draw a label. Then last is the result. Sodium bicarbonate. What is result? Sodium bicarbonate intravenous infusion BP was prepared, sterilized, labeled and submitted. These are the result of this experiment. Okay. And last is the question. Important question related to this experiment. And after watching this video, you all students are able to answer this question. Now I will stop here. Thank you.